Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's another hot day today and we're going to take a look at one of these 24-hour vending machines and what you can actually get out of there. So let's go and have a look. So here we are guys, I hope that you can see okay. Start at the bottom. Got some sweets for £1, some chewing gum, small bags of sweets there, cinnamon mix £1.20, magic carpets £1.20 there, some little jelly shots. There's party mix there for £1.20 as well. Then moving up, we've got some papers for rolling your cigarettes, some tabs there. Not sure what that is, maybe some gas or something. And then, of course, more adult stuff there. Don't tread on that too much. Moving on. Cheetos. Ham waffles there for €1. A massive bag of nuts there for £1.50. Some more nuts there. Chocolate, now I take it these fridges are chilled to keep the chocolate cold. A big bar of chocolate there for £1.70, Milky Bar there for £1.80, it's a bit pricey maybe. Little tubs of Pringles for £1.50, Kit Kat there £1.20. Moving on, you can get biscuits. I don't know if all this is coming up. A can of Coke for €1. Some Red Bull for £1.80 there. And alcohol free lager and shandy there for €1. Of course, you got your energy drinks, your Monsters, all at €2. You can get a can of Fanta there for 80 cents. And then moving down, we got milkshakes here. They may be a bit pricey, the milkshakes. Then the coffee machine, if I can get round to it, sorry guys. So let's see, what should we have? Cold water, a cappuccino, €1. Just coffee, seems to be all the €1 in there guys. And moving along, you can get burgers. Not too badly priced, €3 for a burger. Chicken kebab, double cheeseburger. Barbecue ribs and chicken nuggets there for €1. Burger Queen for €1. You can get pizza there. And then this used to do ice cream, seems to have stopped now. Get what I think of energy drinks there, £2.20. Some vitamin water, €2. Cold coffees there at €1. Iced coffee. And your water there. So there you go, guys. That's the sort of things that you can get from the 24-hour machines. What do you think? Would you try the burgers or the pizzas? You're probably okay for a cold drink, maybe. Not too sure about some of the other stuff. But have you ever tried one of these before? Have you ever had food out of them? If so, did you get what you wanted? Was it hot? Let me know, drop a comment down below. Please make sure that you hit that like, the share and the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.